Peace became pretense when balance bowed to silence. She stepped into the shadow field, not defeated, sealed, awaiting the hour when truth could no longer wait. She carries no scale, only the edge of what is real. Her hand is not open, it grips the hilt of justice. She does not mediate, she manifests reckoning. For peace built on lies is not peace, it is prison, and she is the key. A sudden shift, the tone sharpens, a high frequency overtone cuts through the bass like light slicing. Fog strings rise, not sweet but taut, vibrating with tension. The voice grows stronger, layered now with echoes, as if many are speaking through one. Kaiva, she walks not in anger but in alignment. She strikes not in rage but in remembrance. She returns not to destroy but to restore the true balance. Kaiva, the second is here. You knew her as swan, grace upon water, but you forgot. Swans do not flee. They hiss, they fight, they protect their young, and when fire comes, they rise, not untouched, but transformed. Feathers burn, voice becomes flame. Flight, not escape, but declaration. She touches not to soothe, but to awaken. One finger raised, and the light collapses. No army needed, no war declared, only one soul saying this is not true, and the world trembles. that chose integrity over peace. Kaiva, Kaiva, the second is within you. Kaiva, Kaiva, she walks not in vengeance but in sovereignty. She speaks not in noise but in resonance. She returns not alone but with every silenced voice, every denied truth, every heart that chose integrity over peace. Kaiva, Kaiva, the second is within